In the realm of laptop choices, selecting the right device often involves a careful consideration of specifications, performance metrics, and additional features, all weighed against the backdrop of individual preferences and budget constraints. In this comparative analysis, we delve into the Acer Aspire 5 Gaming A5-1557G and Acer Nitro 5 and 5-1558 laptops, aiming to discern which one offers better value. By examining factors such as display quality, graphics capabilities, overall specifications, and the additional features provided, we seek to provide insights that will aid prospective buyers in making an informed decision. Whether you are a gamer in pursuit of robust graphics performance, a professional requiring seamless multitasking, or a budget-conscious user looking for the most value, this comparison aims to shed light on the distinct strengths and considerations of these two laptops and their respective price points. When evaluating the gaming performance between the Acer Aspire 5 gaming laptop and the Acer Nitro 5 laptop, notable distinctions arise. The Aspire 5 is equipped with an Intel Core i5 12th Gen processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2050, while the Nitro 5 features an Intel Core i5 and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050. In terms of graphics capabilities, the Nitro 5 boasts a more potent RTX 3050 compared to the Aspire 5's RTX 2050, indicating a potential advantage in handling graphically demanding tasks, particularly gaming. Additionally, the Nitro 5 exhibits higher clock speeds with the Intel Core i5-12500H at 4.5 GHz, surpassing the Aspire 5's 3.3 GHz. This discrepancy in clock speeds may contribute to a smoother gaming experience and overall system responsiveness for the Nitro 5. While the Aspire 5 provides capable gaming performance, the Nitro 5 stands out with superior graphics capabilities and faster clock speeds, potentially offering a more immersive and responsive gaming experience for enthusiasts with higher performance expectations. The storage configurations of the Acer Aspire 5 and Acer Nitro 5 present distinct setups, each with its implications for speed, responsiveness, and suitability for various use cases. The Aspire 5's reliance solely on a 512GB SSD ensures faster data access and quicker system responsiveness. SSDs excel in speed compared to traditional HDDs, contributing to quicker boot times, application loading, and overall system performance. On the other hand, the Nitro 5's combination of a 512GB SSD and a 1TB HDD provides a balance between speed and storage capacity. The SSD portion enhances speed and responsiveness, benefiting tasks like gaming and software loading, while the 1TB HDD offers ample storage for larger files, multimedia, and other data. This configuration is advantageous for users with a need for both speed-critical applications and extensive data storage. However, it's worth noting that the Nitro 5's overall speed may not match the Aspire 5's SSD-only configuration in certain scenarios. The Aspire 5 with its SSD is ideal for those prioritizing speed, while the Nitro 5's hybrid storage solution caters to users seeking a balance between performance and storage capacity, making it suitable for a broader range of use cases. When assessing the design and portability of the Acer Aspire 5 Gaming A5-1557G and Acer Nitro 5 and 5-1558, several factors come into play. The Aspire 5 is characterized by its sleek and relatively compact design, with dimensions of 23.8 by 36.3 by 1.8 cm and a weight of 1.8 kg. This lightweight and slim profile make it an excellent choice for users on the go, enhancing portability and ease of carrying. The Aspire 5's design, presented in a stylish gray color, lends a professional and modern aesthetic. In contrast, the Acer Nitro 5 is slightly bulkier, with dimensions of 27.1 by 36 by 2.6 cm and a weight of 2.6 kg. While it may be less compact than the Aspire 5, the Nitro 5's larger size accommodates its gaming-oriented features and robust hardware. The black color adds a gaming-centric appeal to its design. The choice between these two laptops depends on user preferences and intended usage scenarios. The Acer Aspire 5's lightweight and slim design make it well-suited for professionals, students, or individuals who prioritize portability without compromising performance. On the other hand, the Acer Nitro 5's slightly bulkier frame is indicative of its gaming prowess, making it suitable for gaming enthusiasts who prioritize powerful hardware for a more immersive gaming experience. Ultimately, the design and portability features contribute significantly to the overall user experience, influencing the laptop's suitability for different environments. The Aspire 5's slim and lightweight design is ideal for users on the move, while the Nitro 5's larger build caters to those who prioritize gaming performance and don't mind a slightly heavier and bulkier device. When comparing the specifications, performance, and additional features of the Acer Aspire 5 Gaming and Acer Nitro 5, the determination of better value depends on the user's priorities and budget considerations. Both laptops feature a 15.6-inch display with full HD resolution and LED backlighting. Therefore, in terms of display quality, the two laptops seem to be on par. The Acer Aspire 5 comes equipped with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2050, while the Acer Nitro 5 features the more powerful NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050. The Nitro 5, with its superior graphics card, is likely to offer better performance in graphics-intensive tasks, making it a preferable choice for gaming or content creation. In terms of processors, the Aspire 5 has an Intel Core i5 12th Gen, and the Nitro 5 has an Intel Core i5. The Nitro 5's processor has a higher clock speed at 4.5 GHz compared to the Aspire 5's 3.3 GHz, indicating potentially better overall performance, especially in tasks that benefit from higher processing speeds. Both laptops share common features such as 8 GB of RAM, DDR4 type, and similar storage configurations. However, the Nitro 5 stands out with a hybrid storage solution, including a 512 GB SSD and a 1 TB HDD, offering both speed and ample storage capacity. In contrast, the Aspire 5 has a 512 GB SSD, emphasizing speed but with a more limited storage capacity. The Acer Nitro 5 is priced higher at compared to the Acer Aspire 5. While the Nitro 5 commands a premium, its superior graphics, faster processor, and hybrid storage may justify the higher price, especially for users prioritizing gaming or resource-intensive tasks. In conclusion, the Acer Nitro 5 appears to offer better value for users seeking superior graphics performance, faster processing speeds, and a hybrid storage solution. However, for users with budget constraints or those who prioritize a more lightweight and portable design, the Acer Aspire 5 Gaming may still provide ample performance at a more affordable price point.